What's up guys, it's Kato, and today I'm unboxing a Neewer Ringlight. I just got it literally just came today, Amazon Prime. I ordered it 2 days ago, and it was like $110 after taxes. So we're gonna get to unboxing this. I'm just like so excited that I got a ring light. Honestly, I've been trying to get a ring light for a really long time, so today is the day. Let's go unbox this, alright bud? Alright, so I got my trusty scissors, and we're just gonna get right into this. Oh wow. I think there's another box in there. Alright, so first we got the Amazon box, and then we got the second box up in here. There seems to be a little dent in my box, so I hope this thing is not damaged. Like, who dented my box? What's going on right now? And another dent in my box. I don't even know. This seems like it was like manufacturer because my actual box, my Amazon box, doesn't have no dents in it. Doesn't have no scuffs or nothing. It's a perfect box. Some paper. So, pretty sure it was an Amazon that dented this box twice. 3 times. That's crazy, bro. I don't know. It says fragile handle with care, but they scuffed up the box a bunch of times, so let's just hope this ain't broken on the inside. Completely upside down. Open that. This is easier. I don't think we need scissors for this one. More damage to the box. Like, right inside. More damage to the box. Like, I'm scared now. Honestly, pissed. What is that? Like, why is there so much damage to this box? Let me know. That's actually crazy. Like, what are they dealing with? I think this is the stand. What the hell's this? Bro, I don't even know what this piece is. Like, I'm so confused right now. Oh, it came with a case. I did not know what was happening. Honestly, thought that I ordered like a bougie version of it. Didn't think it was gonna come with a case. So you can see Neewer with the bust down box. Let's just hope everything's all good up in here. What's going on right now? Oh. Trying to get this thing out. Oh. That's a good ring light still. It looks nice. Look all dusty. Hope everything's gooch on this, bro. They better not be playing games with me with that bust down box. Alright, well that's the top of the ring light. It's huge. I did not expect it to be that big. Let's just set that down. What's in here? Okay, so it came with this. I'm so disappointed with this packaging right now. Look at this. Like, honestly, what is going on? Like, how are you going to give me something like that? How? How are you going to give me something that bust down? I'm literally taking it out of the box and it's bust down. Like, who smashed this and then put it in the box? Oh, it comes with a little cell phone holder. So you don't have to hold the phone anymore. See what else is in here. See some more bust down packaging. Not even joking. Okay, this is a power brick. Let's just take this power brick out first. There's like scratches on anything, bro. Like they must have gave me like a return one or something. What is going on right now? And there's literally 2 power cords. I'm thoroughly confused. What is this? Oh! Okay, so these are the plugs we use here in Canada. I'm assuming these are the plugs you use somewhere else. Don't know where, but that's got to be a plug you use in another country or something. Let's see what else is in here. Look at this bust down, like, oh my. It's all ripped up. I don't even know. These are like the little things you press on the ring light. I don't know nothing about this lighting situation, so. But I know I'm not going to use these orange ones. So, move on to the next ones. Oh, is this instructions? This is instructions. Blessed. And a bunch of pieces that it comes with. So it says it comes with a dimmable ring light, ball head, smartphone holder, Bluetooth receiver, power adapter with US and EU plug. Okay, I was right. That was a plug for somewhere else. Soft tube, 61 inches? Like, does that even make sense? It says like 61 inch, 155 centimeter light stand. Okay, that's the stand. White and orange colored filter set and a carrying bag. Did not know we were getting a carrying bag. Pretty excited about that. Yes. These are the lights that we're going to snap onto there. Little white, not even a white cover, I guess. I have no idea. But this is the ones that we're going to be putting on. I don't know about those orange ones. I don't know at any point. I don't know why I would use them. Like, I'm not sure. Okay, that's it for this box. Wait. Anything else in here? Nope. So I guess let's just get to it. That's all it comes with. So let's try and sort this out. This is a really sturdy box. Feels like there's some weird stuff in it, but it's like it's just a nice carrying case. Oh man. I'm like so gassed up for this, but I'm like butthurt because there's like a bunch of scuffs on everything. Like, what the hell? There's literally like look at this power brick. Can you see the scuffs on it? Like, they damaged it. They damaged it before they gave it to me. Hoping everything's gooch. Maybe I should read the instructions a little bit. All I know is I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube on people unboxing this, and they open up the stand first, and then they get to a bunch of problems. So let's just open up the stand. I think that's the easiest part. Maybe I should loosen it a little. Yes. I have a mic stand exactly like this, so I kind of know already what I'm doing. Just these little things, right? This little thing right here to tighten it, to tighten the stand. It's pretty. Oh no, it's pretty. Not that it matters because this thing's already dinged up. It's pretty simple, especially if you've worked with stands like this before. Like, this is exactly. Hold on. Look at the bottom of my mic stand. They're identical. It's basically the same thing. Tighten the screw right here. Pretty basic. So let's just unscrew these a little bit so we can make this a little longer. Woo! I know this thing gets really long too. I don't even know. I know this thing can go really high up. Like, here, let me just show you just for no reason. Let's just get it to its maximum height. Oh. Maybe that's it. Maybe with the ring light it'll be like way up here. Maybe I'm just tripping. But I think that maybe this is the maximum height. Yeah, it has to be. We're just going to keep it safe and put it a little lower because I don't want anything to happen on my first day of unboxing this thing. Play it safe, bud. Alright. Let me see how this works. So, I don't even know what this piece is for. Like, I'm so confused right now. Let me read the instructions a little bit. This is a big instruction list, man. Take a seat. This is supposed to be what the ring light attaches to. In the pictures it says it bends, but it's not bending, so I'm not sure what's going on right now. It's a little sketchy. So you have to unscrew this. I've seen this in so many people's videos that they're like trying to put this on here and they don't understand that you have to unscrew this piece first. You have to unscrew it until it's like right about there so that it doesn't interfere with you putting it on top of this thing. This is scary. Like, why do I want my ring light balancing on this weird thing? I thought it was going to go on this actual sturdy stand. This thing is not bent. Like, in the photos it bends. Like, oh my god. Look at this one picture right here that they give you. In the photos that thing bends. But like, oh, I don't want to do that. That's scary. It barely bends. So we're not going to be doing that. Let's lower this because this is just getting higher. I think I bent it a little. Okay, it bends a little bit, but I don't want to play with that at all. I don't want my ring light hanging and bending and stuff. I think I put that on right. No, I didn't. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, don't do what I do. Don't just slap it on there. Read the instructions thoroughly. Ooh. No, I'm good at this. I don't even have to read the instructions. Boom. Let's get this one on. Let me just put it on top. There's like little grooves. You gotta make sure it's like on top of the other groove of the last little casing that you put. This one's a little confusing. Maybe it goes over top and underneath this one. So the casings kind of have like little grooves on the ends, so they like slide they sit just underneath each other like a little bit, tiny bit. So you can see which one's supposed to go underneath and which one's supposed to go over top. It's pretty obvious. If you do it wrong, you'll know. It'll be like popping out a little bit. What does this thing do? cell phone holder that we can't attach to here at all. I appreciate that. Okay, wait. I just talked so much smack before I even put things in. It worked. So you just slide this little piece in that they give you. You just slide it in here, and then you twist the bottom of it, and it just screws itself in right there. And then you can just twist your little smartphone holder onto it. That's cool, and it moves around so you can be on whatever angle you want to be on. This is dope. I think that's it. That's literally it. We did everything. That was fast. Okay, let's make sure we don't mess this part up now. Same with the last one. You have to make sure this screw, there's a washer inside there and a screw. You just gotta make sure your screw is like about right there, so that when you put it on, it doesn't smack into this thing. Which way should I do it? Let's do it this way. Okay. If you unloosen this one, you can probably... Oh, yeah, you can bend it around if you loosen the top one. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We're just going to leave it standing upright because I'm scared. Alright, I guess this is the power cord. I want to lower this a bit, so unscrew this one. I want you guys to see how this ring light works because the lighting in my room is garbage. You know what I use? I use a lamp, bro. I'm using a lamp to give myself light. My window's open a little bit. Oh no. For the final plug-in, Neewer ring light. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys even what this thing was. This is just like a remote shutter, so like if you want to start your video or if you want to start your camera, it's pretty bust down, so we don't know if it works. But these things are also at Dollarama, so I might just scoop one that's not bust down like that. And you can just take pictures with it, and like it just hooks up Bluetooth to your phone, so you can do whatever you want. It's pretty small. Fits in the palm of your hand. You can just go. Okay, it locks in. It locks, bro. That's elite. This is elite cord. Okay, you ready? Oh my gosh, this thing is the brightest thing on the planet. That's its brightest setting too. Like that's the brightest setting. You can dim it. That's lit. Does it look booming? Oh, we got a ring light in the cut, ring light in the cut, ring light in the cut. Yo! I'm actually so gassed, guys. You don't even know. I've been waiting to get a ring light for way too long. I don't know how bright I should have it. This is blinding. This is literally blinding. Like, we need a little cover or something. A little hot over here. I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if I'm just like the kind of person that I feel like I'm so hot. Like the sun is on me or something. Like, it feels kind of hot back here. I don't know if it's just me. I think it probably is just me. Well, that's my ring light unboxing, guys. Here, let me put the camera on here so you guys can see my new setup ski. Alright, yo, so I got my camera sitting on here. This is my ring light, guys. My new setup, so I think everything's gonna be smoother from here on out. That's it for now, guys. Neewer ring light. Too happy about this. Catch you guys later. Have a good one.
Wow. Dripping, sauce. Said that I won't leaning, wow. Be what you sipping, huh? Post up out front. See all my goons in the yard. What you want? You ain't want enough from my squad. Double up. Be what you got in your cup. Load that.